Question 20. Paula wants to find out how much money people spend buying CDs. She uses this question on a questionnaire. How much money do you spend buying CDs? 10 to 30 pounds, 30 to 50 pounds, 50 to 70 pounds, more than 70 pounds. Write down two things wrong with this question. Well, if they're asking you for mistakes in the question, there's a few things that they look for. Number one would be what's called crossover. If any answers seem to overlap, that could be like if I spent exactly 30, which bracket would you put it in? So crossover values is one of the potential things they would look for. Another common one is time frame. It says, how much money do you spend buying CDs? Is that a day, a week, a month, a year? So there's no time frame. They're the two of the biggest mistakes that will appear on questions and questionnaires. Other things it could look for would be there's no values under £10, because that way, so if I only spend £5 on CDs, which box do I tick? As long as you name two that make sense and sensible, it's usually good enough. Paula asks 100 people in a CD store to do her questionnaire. Her sample is biased. Why? Well, she's asked 100 people. 100 people seems realistic. But what biases this question specifically is the fact she's only asking people in a CD store. So of course people are going to buy CDs. So she's limiting the places that she's gone. If she only asks people in a CD store, of course they're there to buy CDs. And it's going to be biased towards those people, ignoring people that don't go into that specific shop. Maybe there's people that go into different shops, or people that just don't buy CDs. So it gives a very biased view of people. Only asks people in one location. If she hadn't asked 100 people, maybe it could have been that she hadn't asked enough people. But in this case, 100 people is pretty good. You could also have listed that, though, that 100's not enough. She should have listed more.